white paper. As you probably know, the launch date is closely related with the launch of the so-called mainnet. That thing is in the phase 3 of the development of the coin. But before launching the mainnet, there is the phase 2 that we are currently dealing with. We are going to quote their website about the second phase. Before we launch the mainnet, the node software will be deployed on a testnet. The testnet will use the exact same trust graph as the mainnet, but on a testing Pi coin. Pi's core team will host several nodes on the testnet, but will encourage more pioneers to start their own nodes on the testnet. In fact, for any node to join the mainnet, they are advised to begin on the testnet. The testnet will be run in parallel to the Pi emulator in phase 1, and periodically, e.g. daily, the results from both systems will be compared to catch the gaps and misses of the testnet, which will allow the Pi developers to propose and implement fixes. After a thorough concurrent run of both systems, testnet will reach a state where its results consistently match the emulators. At that time, when the community feels it's ready, Pi will migrate to the next phase. That is what is stated about the second phase of the project. That is the phase that we are in right now. So, most of the people are asking, when are we going to enter the final third phase of the project called mainnet? This is the phase where all the coins are getting any value. This is what most people are interested in. Let's look up again what their official information is saying. When the community feels the software is ready for production and it has been thoroughly tested on the testnet, the official mainnet of the Pi network will be launched. An important detail is that in the transition to the mainnet, only accounts validated to belonging to distinct real individuals will be honored. After this point, the faucet and Pi network emulator of phase 1 will be shut down and the system will continue on its own forever. Future updates to the protocol will be contributed by the Pi developer community and Pi's core team and will be proposed by the committee. Their implementation and deployment will depend on nodes updating the mining software, just like any other blockchain. No central authority will be controlling the currency, and it will be fully decentralized. Balances of fake users or duplicate users will be discarded. This is the phase when Pi can be connected to exchanges and be exchanged for other currencies. Very important moment in this one that you should know is that in the transition to the mainnet, only accounts that are validated and the ones belonging to distinct real individuals will be honored. So, this is a moment where the Pi network is rewarding the trust of the network, because most of the network is based on trust. There are going to be future updates, of course, and those are going to be done from the Pi developer community and the Pi's core team and will be proposed by the committee. Their implementation and deployment will depend on nodes updating the mining software, just like any other blockchains. This coin will be fully decentralized, meaning that no central authority will be controlling the currency. If you look up to the official information about the launch, you are going to see that there is no specific date mentioned anywhere. But according to many well-informed experts, we should expect the mainnet launching at the end of this 2021. When they are going to launch the phase 3, all the holders will be able to take complete control of their wallets and their wallet keys, and then they can use the coins to buy products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace, or they can even exchange it for fiat currency. Without the keys, users cannot transfer or spend the currency they hold. This is a very crucial moment for you that you should know. So this verification process is very important for the Pi network. If you have downloaded the Pi mobile application, you should also be aware that the application currently is working as a cryptocurrency wallet, and it is linked to either your real identity or your Facebook account. This is one step forward towards the validation of all users on the network. They are doing this because they don't want to risk any duplicate of the users or any misuse of the coin or the network. Like all other blockchains that you are aware of, the Pi blockchain will allow external wallets to hold Pi coins and transact with them by confirming transactions directly to the blockchain. However, unlike other blockchains, its developers have not yet released its source code. If you are one of the so-called early adopters, you are probably accumulating Pi crypto in anticipation that the price will rise sharply after phase 3 goes live. And this might be true. This is something that is predicted by many experts. Although the coin's mining rate has been reduced by halving, users can increase their mining rate by connecting with other active miners. New users can only join the Pi network if they have a referral code from another user. You probably are aware of this one, and this is one of the good ideas of PiCoin. This is one of the advantages, but also one of the drawbacks. Because of this, there are millions and millions of users of the network even before launching the coin, which is a good thing. But on the other hand, most of the not so well informed people think that this coin is a scam. Just because some of the marketing strategies are very similar with Ponzi schemes. We've explained a lot about that, and if you are one of the ones that is not well informed about this, you really should go back and watch some of our older videos. The project's developers are saying that the security of the Pi network is even better, and now enhanced by personal networks, encouraging users to bring in friends and family, which is prompting doubts and skepticism that it is a multi-level marketing scheme, or as we said earlier, some kind of pyramid scheme. However, it is very important to know that users can only earn coins from their own direct networks, not from their connections networks, as with an MLM scheme. In the meantime, the developers have increasingly warned users that scams claiming to involve Pi have recently popped up. Let's get back to the date of launch that we have mentioned earlier. You must know that most of the predictions of the experts are not based on their intuition, but on many previous experiences. If you look up for so many coins out there, you are going to see that the date of creating the coin and the date of listing the coin to an exchange has a lot of years in difference. This means that people need to have trust in the coin, to build up some community or people that are interested to trade with that coin, and after that, to be listed. With Pi Network is the vice versa. They have the community, and they have decided to build up that community first. And when it is going to be launched, they're going to be all ready. So, for now, they have more than 21 million users. That is a huge community indeed. Having this big community is a very good advantage for any coin. You must make a difference between realizing the coin and listing the coin. The release date is going to be December 2021, but that might not be the month when the coin is listed on the exchanges. But since the network has a huge community, the listing is going to be a piece of cake, because the exchanges as well has the benefit of trading with the coin, and since the Pi network has many people interested in trading, the interest of the exchanges is also at stake. So, you have to admit that the team from the Pi network have an amazing idea. That'll be all guys for today's video. If you like this analysis, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support means the world to us, and we are going to be extremely grateful if you share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.